Hey, what is up guys? I just wanted to do a quick video on how to curve text in Carbide Create. All you're going to do is you're going to come over to canva.com. It is a free website, and make an account. I'm pretty sure you have to make an account to make designs, so make an account quick. It's free. They have a paid version, but you don't need that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make make something. So just do custom design. Go hit create design. Go to custom size. I was making a coaster, so I wanted it to be equal in oops, I'm gonna go inches. I want it to be equal both up and down, so I'm gonna make a square. Doesn't really matter what you make the it really doesn't matter what size you make this, just make it big enough so you can work in, because you can scale it inside Carbide Create. So yeah, so we're going to curve some text here. We're going to go to text. We're going to add a heading. I'm just going to put how to curve text. And then actually I don't know if you need to highlight it, but you go to effects, you go to curve, then you got this, and it kind of shows you the circle that it's curving on. And then you can always change the curve right here. So this is going to be like a bigger circle, this would be a tinier circle, so you kind of get it. And so then what you do is you just download. Okay, we're going to download it. It's going to take a couple seconds here. Okay, and then we're going to go back to Carbide Create, and then all you do is you just hit trace. You click your file, which is right here. It's going to trace it for you. You're going to hit trace image, and that's that. And then obviously if you don't like the way it's curved, well, first scale it down to the size that you want it, right? So I was making coasters, so I had this out. So for example, you know, we're going to make a quick little circle here. So that actually worked pretty well if I wanted to do it on the outside. But yeah, if you didn't like it, you would just go back to here, hit effects, change the curve however you wanted it to be, and just keep trying it, bring it back in, trace it, and that is how you curve text. And then obviously you would just go in here, hit V-carve, make sure your tool is right. My tool is not correct, so I would go to V60, that's what I use. And then, you know, just to show you, you know, that's how it looks. So that is how to curve text.